Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and in this video, I want to tell you about a useful website called TinyWow where you can explore hundreds of free online tools. TinyWow is a website where you can literally do anything. It's home to hundreds of free online tools including PDF tools, image tools, video tools, and much more. By using TinyWow's vast array of free online tools, you can boost your productivity, save time, and streamline your work processes. To get started, simply go to tinywow.com in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll see the main page with all the different tools and options available. The possibilities are almost endless on TinyWow. Need to convert a PDF to Word? Check. Want to compress a large video file? No problem. Looking to resize an image for social media? You got it. You can even edit and sign PDF documents right from the website. In PDF Tools section, you can edit, merge, split, compress PDFs or transform into any format. For example, here I have a PDF file which I need to change the format to JPEG. Just upload your file and wait a couple of seconds, and there you have it. You can save the file by downloading it onto your device. In the Image Tools section, you can compress, resize, upscale, or remove background from an image. Simply upload your photo, and there you get your background removed image. You can see there are a lot more tools that I haven't mentioned yet. In the right section, TinyWow uses AI to generate any kind of text such as an essay or a YouTube script or a blog post. You can even fix the grammar or translate your text. In the Video Tools section, you can download videos from multiple social media platforms or change your video format to any kind with just a button click. One of the best things about TinyWow is that it's completely free to use. You don't need to sign up or create an account to use any of the tools. Plus, the website is easy to navigate and the tools are straightforward and user-friendly. So there you have it, it's just an overview of TinyWow. You can explore other tools you like to find out how useful this website is. If you need to get things done quickly and efficiently, TinyWow is definitely worth checking out. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And if you're interested in similar videos, make sure to check out this video here. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.